This is the XDP Fuel Tank Sump with built-in return. It's designed to simplify custom fuel delivery when running an aftermarket fuel system. Inside the box, you'll find the fuel tank sump kit, including the sump itself, fittings, the inner ring, and return fuel standpipe, bolts, and the O-ring seal. This sump features a built-in fuel return, which makes it easy to run an aftermarket or custom fuel system without the need to modify the filler neck, tank, or stemming unit for return fuel ports. The standpipe on the sump keeps return fuel in the tank elevated above the feed, preventing aerated fuel from being pulled back into the supply line. This sump features an inner ring that allows for a no tank drop installation, which means you can install it from the bottom of your tank without having to remove it from the truck. If you're running an aftermarket lift pump that requires a return, the XDP Fuel Tank Sump gives you a sleek and easy setup that helps reduce the effort required to modify your truck.